How to use new torch flashlight animation on iOS 18. To use new torch flashlight animation, first of all, open your control center. To open your control center, simply swipe down from the top right corner of your screen. Then your control center will be open. There you will see torch option. Simply tap on it and then you can see this animation form of torch will be opened. Now you can adjust your lighting according to you want. You just have to swipe your finger up like this, or if you want to make the light dim, then you have to simply swipe your finger down. In this very easy step, you can easily use this torch flashlight animation on iOS 18. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.